Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to assemble the RX 108. In the packout you will receive 5 graphic signs, 2 pegs, 1 base, 2 identical posts, 1 top post, and all the hardware needed to put it together. Begin assembly, it is suggested to screw the levers on first as such to all 4 sides. Once you finish screwing all 4 levelers in, flip it over and you will be inserting the post onto the base. Next, you will want to grab yourself one of the pins and insert it through the middle of the tube. And a washer. Slide over. Finally, one of the pegs. Now I will be demonstrating how to install the top peg. You will grab a washer, slide it over, your peg, slide that one over. Now grab a top post, and you're going to slide both of these up and insert your pin as such. Once the pegs are in and secure, you're going to want to make sure all the holes on the post align with each other. And using the 3 screws provided and Allen key, you will secure it all tightly. Once you're done screwing the posts together, you will move on to the sign assembly. You will grab these 3 graphic panels. They have holes that you need to align together in the front and in the back, and you will sandwich them and secure it together using these binding screws. Your sign should look something like this, and you can grab yourself a flathead screwdriver and tighten these even more to secure it even better. Now we'll be inserting the sign to the display. The holes closer together will be out, the ones farther apart will be in. So you will slide this in, bend the sign a bit, match the holes with the screws in there, and secure using the nuts provided. Finally, we'll be putting the rest of the graphics together. The flat side will go in, the curved side will go out. Using a split ring, you will slide it through the hole, this hole, and lock it in place. This will be the same for the last piece. Flat side in, curved side out, and lock it in place. And you're done. You have your RX 108 fully complete and ready to be loaded with product.